This is a review of the Vanilla Bean King's Madagascar Grade A Organic Vanilla Beans. And the brand sent this to me so that way I can test out and do a review. And I'm so glad that they did. This smells amazing. What I'm actually going to be doing is utilizing the homemade vanilla extract recipe included in the card from Vanilla Bean King, this neat little magnet. So then that way you can determine how many ounces of beans to how many ounces of alcohol and whether you want it regular or double strength. Oh my gosh. These vanilla beans are absolutely fantastic. They are very moist and they are a grade A organic vanilla bean from Madagascar. These are so moist, so fragrant, and they are soft and pliable, not dry and brittle. That is just vanilla excellence. Oh, it smells so good. You can look right there. You can see. That is some good stuff. These vanilla beans will be used in vanilla extract making at this time, but I'm also going to save some of those beans and make some delicious vanilla bean desserts.